Hi, welcome to Slync. We do things differently, but you already knew that. Sign up is easy. Just tell us who you are. We get it. Email isn't cool anymore. But don't worry, we won't spam you. A real email address is required to set up your account. Tell us about your education and when you expect to graduate. Now, let's get some additional details to help personalize your experience. Please provide a phone number where potential employers can contact you. Time to get creative. Create a personal tagline that demonstrates your personality and value to employers. Select the industries you would like to work in. Choose as many as you want. You can always change this later. You've got some great skills. Why not tell us about them? Choose at least 3 to start. You can add more later. Show off your selfie skills and add a profile picture that will get you hired. Finally, we know you're awesome, so let's round that up in a 35 seconds.
Hello, my name is Luana Nagut, and I am a marketing graduate pursuing a role in advertising in London. I am passionate and very knowledgeable about social media, and I even run my blog. I've won a prize for my contribution to the online university's newsletter, and I would love to work for a company where the culture fits my personality and I can easily grow with my team. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a lovely day.